In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to navigate Rock so you can get where you need to go quickly. Home, Settings, Chat, and Accounts. We'll keep it simple and practical. This is the home page, the first thing you'll see when you log in. All your tabs are on the left-hand side. If you want more room to work, you can expand or close that panel. Think of the home as a place that summarizes what's changed and what needs your attention. Before we explore the rest, let's jump into the settings at the bottom left. Here, you can configure your notifications, integrations, and documents. You'll also find more advanced settings here, like CRM field mappings. If you're new, this is the best place to double check what's connected. Back to the home page. You can always return here by clicking the home icon at the top left. Front and center, you'll see the updated insights. These include news tied to your accounts and the updates you set up in the account tab. We'll cover that shortly. Just like Gmail, you can mark an insight as read or archive it to remove it completely. You can also adjust the filters to show insights for specific accounts, date ranges, types, or read statuses. You will also see your outputs from your agent workflows in the Agent Runs tab. And you can prepare or follow up on meetings by going to the Meetings tab. To learn more about an insight, just click it. Rocks will show you details and the underlying sources on the bottom left. From there, you can follow the suggested action. That takes you into the chat, bringing the insight with you so Rocks can execute the action and you can ask follow-ups. You can think of the chat as a way to directly interact with the Rocks agent. It's perfect when you have questions about an account or want to generate artifacts. You can access the chat in the sidebar throughout the product or access the full screen version by clicking on the chat icon in the nav bar. Each chat session is tied to a single account, so the Rocks agent knows to search using the account's context. Just search for the account and type your prompt. You'll also see suggested prompts below the search box, which are common use cases your team might rely on. And in the bottom half of the page, you can find recent sessions so you can pick up where you left off. A few useful features to highlight here. First, saved prompts. If there's a prompt you use often, click Create New Prompt or choose an existing one, and it will load right into the search bar. You can also upload files with the paperclip icon so Rocks can use them as part of your search. For any prompt you run, Rocks will search private and public data and surface what's the most relevant. For example, it can summarize your latest communication and surface the most recent news about that account. After each prompt, Rocks suggests next steps you might want to take. From there, you can drive the conversation wherever you need. One of the most popular features of chat is the ability to generate artifacts. Because Rocks agents have the full context of the business, it is able to generate slide decks and documents that automatically pull in the relevant information. You can iterate with the agent to generate the first call deck, one-pager, or any other artifact you need. To revisit past work, click the drop-down the top left corner of the page. You can browse or search through past sessions from there. Quick recap. Home is your starting point and your command center. Settings on the bottom left is where you can configure notifications, integrations, documents, and advanced options like CRM mappings. Insights on Home keep you updated and let you take action on them. And Chat is where you can ask questions and work with the Rocks agent to get things done. In the next video, we'll go deeper into the Accounts tab and how to control the updates that appear on Home.